Hey there, I'm about to drop some serious knowledge that could save your life. If you think you'll spot diabetes early by waiting for classic symptoms, you might already be in serious trouble. Kidney failure, blindness, amputations. Those happen when it's too late. Today, I'll show you the real early signs of diabetes that most doctors never tell you about, and how you can stop it before it takes over your life. Let's get real for a second. Most lists of early symptoms you see online, they're actually late-stage warning signs. And here's the kicker. They often don't distinguish between type 1 and type 2 diabetes, even though they're almost opposites. Understanding this difference could give you years, even decades, to turn things around. So what's the first sign you need to watch out for? Slow, gradual weight gain? You're eating the same, exercising the same? But every year, that scale keeps creeping up. This isn't just getting older, it's your metabolism changing. It's a true early sign of insulin resistance, the road that leads straight to type 2 diabetes. Now, you've probably heard that peeing a lot is an early sign of diabetes, right? It's often listed as early, but in reality, it happens late in the game, after your blood glucose is already sky high. Your kidneys have a threshold, about 180 milligrams DL, before sugar starts spilling into your urine. By the time you're running to the bathroom every hour, diabetes has already set up shop in your body. Let's break down the 4 types of diabetes real quick, because knowing is half the battle. Type 1 diabetes, it's an autoimmune thing. Your body goes rogue and destroys the cells that make insulin. It hits suddenly, but it's been brewing under the surface for years. Type 2 diabetes, this is the slow burner. Years of high sugar, processed foods, and bad fats lead to insulin resistance. Your body's crying out for help long before your doctor says diabetes. Gestational diabetes. This one pops up during pregnancy. It's like a stress test for your metabolism, often revealing problems that were there all along. Diabetes insipidus, the odd one out. It's not about blood sugar at all, but about hormone problems that mess with how your body handles fluids. Now, let's talk about your waistline. Even if the scale isn't budging, an expanding belly is a red flag you can't ignore. That visceral fat, the stuff wrapped around your organs, is screaming high insulin resistance and metabolic disaster waiting to happen. Feeling hungry all the time? It's another sneaky sign. Type 1, your body's starving because it can't use the glucose you're eating. With type 2, high insulin is locking fuel away in your fat cells, making you eat more just to feel energized. Here's the scary part. The signs most people wait for. They come way too late. Blurred vision means tiny blood vessels in your eyes are already damaged. Tingling hands and feet. It's nerve damage, folks. Wounds that won't heal. Your body's repair signals are all messed up. By the time these show up, you've lost years of precious time to turn things around. But here's the silent early clue your doctor might be missing. Your blood work. Most docs check glucose or A1C, but those are late-stage indicators. The real early warning? High fasting insulin? Your insulin levels can be creeping up for decades before your glucose goes out of whack. So, what can you do right now? First, keep a closer eye on your waistline than your weight. Next time you're at the doctor, ask for a fasting insulin test. It could be a game changer. In your day-to-day life, start cutting back on those processed carbs, sugars, and seed oils. Load up on protein, healthy fats, and whole foods instead. Listen, don't wait for thirst that won't quit, vision that's going fuzzy, or feet that feel like they're wrapped in cotton. By then, you've lost the most valuable thing: time. I've done a full breakdown on how to reverse insulin resistance before it becomes full-blown diabetes. Click the link below to watch it now and take control of your health before it's too late. Remember, your body's been trying to tell you something for years. It's time to start listening. This isn't about fear, it's about empowerment. You've got the knowledge now, so use it. Make those small changes today that could save your life tomorrow. Your future self will thank you for it. And hey, if you found this info helpful, smash that like button and share it with someone you care about. We're all in this health journey together, and sometimes a little knowledge can go a long way. Stay healthy, stay informed. And I'll catch you in the next video, where we dive even deeper into taking charge of your well-being. Peace out.